typically the supermarket was closed for siesta, but we found a local cafe where we filled up on wine, sweet potato fries and a burger before setting off for the next 12 kilometers of the hike in the searing heat.
It is so hot today. I should have left earlier in the morning when it was still cool.
There's big sections on stage 2 that run along the border of France and Spain, like this road, where if I step 1 meter to the right, I would be in Spain. It's kind of neat. And then it was on to Ain Hoa, a tourist village full of Basque specialities, and our B&B for the night. Today was 21k, about 6 hours and 34,000 steps.